So there are 3 villas here at the Eden Villas Canaves Oia. The middle one, which I've just shown you, and downstairs, the second of 3, is a 2-bedroom villa with a gorgeous splash pool. Totally amazing view. There's a small little dining nook over here that looks directly over the cliff of the caldera. Views just absolutely amazing. And gorgeous spot to enjoy your breakfast or the sunset. Another huge patio, great pool. Got multiple places to relax. A really nice garden here. Just a perfect place to take in the scene. And one of the things that's so special about this property is the privacy. In many parts of Santorini, no matter how gorgeous your hotel is, you're often very close in proximity to other people. So I've just entered through one of the 2 bedrooms here in the downstairs 2-bedroom villa, bathroom and shower. And this is one of 2 bedrooms. And then you have the main living room, which also has a potential extra bed there and a nice kitchen. And through here, you also access the 2nd bedroom with its own private bathroom. And up here, you also have another door with access to this beautiful little patio. So this is the 2nd of 3 of the amazing villas here at Eden Villas by Canaves Oia in Imerovigli, Santorini.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from SantoriniDave.com.